Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Fat to Fit with Corporate Munshi. So I'm making this video after a gap of almost a week. So last week I was quite busy with certain things. As you all know, it was a Valentine's week. So I was celebrating Valentine's Day with my wife. Before that, since she is learning driving, so it was her last class on 13th. So again, I was not available that day. Then on the weekends, I was resting totally. So there was no workout, nothing. Just a casual week went by, and I'm back today with another episode. So there are only 4 or 5 days left to end the 30-day challenge, and I'm not doing very good, to be very honest. Yes, I have lost minute weight of 1 to 2 kgs maximum, but nothing more happened. So on the 30th day of my challenge, I will reveal the final stats, what happened and what not. But definitely I'll increase the days. I'll take another challenge, a new challenge, maybe of 60 days, 90 days or 75 days. Let's see. So today I will talk about calorie deficit. If you are on a weight loss journey, so you need to go calorie deficit. Now what is calorie deficit? So basically what happens is that you all know that to maintain your body you need to consume calories. So whatever you eat, it has a certain amount of calories. So there are many websites and apps where you can put your age, gender, weight, height, and it will give you what kind of number of calories that will be required for maintaining your body. So suppose mine required is say 2600 calories on a daily basis. Now when you are exercising, when you are working out, when you are walking, doing anything, you are burning calories. Even if you are sitting, you burn calories. You are sleeping, you burn calories. So suppose you burn 2000, that's mean 2000 calories in a day overall, but your intake is 2600 calories. So that means you are doing more. You are taking more calories and burning less. So you need to consume lesser calories than you burn. So that is called calorie deficit. And ideally it should be done under supervision of a nutritionist or a doctor. So they will guide you that what kind of nutrition you should take. Generally it is said that you need to have a protein and fiber rich diet. Even if you are eating less, if you eat good, you balance your macro and micronutrients, and couple that with exercise, workouts, walking on a daily basis, and you are doing good on the journey to weight loss. So in the next episode I will talk about micronutrients and macronutrients. So if you are on the journey, just hit the like button, subscribe me, hit the like button, click on the bell, comment, talk about yourself, and inspire me with your comments. I will inspire you with my videos, with my journey. And let's meet tomorrow again with another episode of Fat to Fit with Corporate Munshi. Trust me, it's going to be a long journey. I don't want to lose 10 kgs in a month and then I stop everything and gain it back. So it will be slow and steady, and most importantly sustainable. So good night guys, फिर मिलते हैं.